What's up, Lemmings? Dirt Diesel here. Last day babysitting over here for a friend. Construction site. A lot of mistakes that needed fixed. So, anyway, got my stuff. There's my trusty throwaway socks from the blue retailer. And my knife. Oh, and these gloves right here from my days in the warehouse. Get these at Fast and All. They sell them. They'll actually sell them to you single. At least when I got them. But anyway, public service announcement, PSA. You know what this is for? This is what this is for. Don't throw those on the ground or out your window. Get an old jar that, like this, had jam in it or jelly or preserves in. Seal it up. You know, just throw it in there lit. You saw it smoking. And as always, you know, mine's Steezy. Anyway, get a swig of that. Oh, here you go. That's what that is. Anyway, we'll do a retail haul. Retail haul. Gabriel Brothers. Android. Oh, let's see here. What are those metal ends? They ain't gonna break there. See the original price? See that sticker? It says $3. I don't know if you can see it or not. The sun is shining here. Yeah. Camera don't want to focus. Anyway, two of those, very last two. Looked at another location, they didn't have any. Same thing here. 2 degrees right now in Harrisburg. Weather today brought to you by Fife. But this one's 10 feet. Dodge, Jeep, Ram, Fiat. So was $4, now $3. Interesting scenario. We'll ask you what you would do on the and then 67 Facebook page. Lastly, we all need this. For a married couple, we all need this. Turkey was having some problems. There's the tag. After the husband got a dog. His wife thought it was too much extra work to take care of the dog, so she gave him an ultimatum. Let's kill this. There's the tag. 45 Nike retail. 14 the store. Nobody wanted to buy these. $7. Alright. So we'll open it up. You know, that's enough for us truckers to throw our stuff in. Now hang on here a second. Hang on a second. Gotta protect the innocent. Protecting the innocent here. What I'm gonna do is show the receipt here. There's a reason why. There's a reason why I'm showing the receipt. Alright, here we go. Get out of the sun. Let me get my shaded safety glasses off. Like Russian Hacker always says, safety first. Anyway, look at that. Didn't I say $3, $3, $3, $7? Well, those first two items that were identical, they didn't get an updated tag on them yet. So $2. So what did I spend? $14 plus tax for 3 Android USB charge cords. We'll call it, will be layman's terms there. 2 of them. I forget what the length was on these. Where's the length on them? Well, whatever. Well, how about this? Hold on. There they are. I'm gonna guess they're 3 footers or 4 footers or 5 footers. I don't know. Doesn't say length anywhere on there. At least it ain't popping right out at me what the length is. But, and supposedly zinc alloy. But there it is. There they are. So, recapping again as I go on a tangent again. 3 cords. And you can see the construction of this one. It looks like it's pretty good, and it's got that reinforced braiding. Hold on here. It's kind of a fabric-like type of braiding, but you can tell that's 10 feet. So 4 items. Right there's your total. Alright, well, this Dirt Diesel signing off. Yeah, old job. Pretty killer hat. So I keep it. And then I got my ear protection. Alright, so Friday night it's back on the road. Today's Thursday. It's Dirt Diesel signing out, and as always, drivers, stop driving dirty.